court. So this video is just gonna be a straight wash and go. I'm gonna show you all the products that I use. So as you can tell, my hair is like, girl, look at this. It's in a bun, and I try to not put my hair in a bun like within the, week or so that I don't wash my hair, because it starts to get matted. So like, this is low-key a matted mess. Like, you just do not know. What is this? What is this? Like, it's matted. And to be honest with you, my wash and go was so good that I actually didn't wash this for 3 weeks. I just put it up in a bun like maybe 3 days ago. Yeah. Just know it's about to look way better than what it does now. I am freshly cleansed, I'm conditioned. We're just gonna go ahead and jump right in. So what I like to do first is just section my hair off into 4 sections. Great, so I need to put my leave-in conditioner in. That is what's really important for me because my hair gets very, very dry. So I like to use this Kriya Botanicals. I love this. This is a low porosity leave-in conditioner. So if you don't know what that is, I hope you guys can see that. There we go. You either have low porosity hair or high porosity or in between. I've learned that I have low porosity hair, meaning that my hair has a hard time maintaining moisture. So I really love this leave-in. It has been a lifesaver for me, seriously, because I've always noticed that I've had dry hair, but I feel like after I got my biolage, put that word down here. But ever since I got those highlights, I love the color. However, I've noticed that my hair is super dry. Like, I have to be careful of certain products I use, and my products that I normally used to use don't really work that well on my hair anymore. So I've had to definitely switch it up. A blob of this, and I just wipe it on my hands, and then I start raking it through. And it smells really good too. You know, sometimes you just like smell stuff, like products, and you're like, it just smells like it's gonna be good for my hair. Like, it just smells good. And if I feel like I need water, I will go ahead and just spray some water on there, because my hair does dry very fast too. It's so weird. It's weird. So I just like might spray a little bit on there and then call it a day. You might hear like a lot of curly girls will say, oh, I do like the lock method or the LCO method. So that literally means that you either do your leave-in first, then you do a cream, and then you do an oil. So for me, I do leave-in, oil, then a cream, because that is what locks in my hair. So I do the lock method, lock in the moisture of my leave-in conditioner. So I like this Melanin Haircare. It's their multi-pure blend oil. Oh my gosh, like, you see I'm almost out. And I've actually, what's crazy is I've had this since Natural 85. If you don't know who she is, you are missing out. You need to YouTube her ASAP. She's like an OG in the YouTube natural hair community, and she came out with her own products, and like, honestly, like, these products are amazing. Like, they're so moisturizing. So anyway, so what I do is I just use a little bit of that oil, and I just mix it in my hands again, and then I'm raking it through my hair like so. Oh, they just look so moisturized. Oh my gosh. It just looks so moisturized. And I definitely focus on my ends. Length check. Very, muy importante that I make sure everything is moisturized, okay? After I apply my oil, I follow it up with the Melanin Haircare Twist-Elongating Cream. Now, I know this is called a Twist-Elongating Cream, but I use this for a wash and go. It has definitely helped keep my hair moisturized, and I would definitely say the combo that I'm using now is the reason why I'm able to just like wear my hair out and it still looks fresh for 2+ weeks. They're the reason why I'm not being very frequent with my hair, because it just looks so good. I take a little bit of this and I just rub it through. And by the way, I've had this almost a year too, and as you can see, I'm like halfway through. It's amazing how I just have to go on rant. It's amazing how she has been able to create a product, give a quality product, and give you this much product for was less than 20 bucks. So it's just amazing that like she's been able to make a really, really good product for literally half of what a lot of these companies are charging us these days. So, okay. So I just put it in my hands like this, put it on my hands like this. And then of course, we're gonna rake. Okay, last step. I have to use a gel with this product just because, yes, it is a cream, but if you use it for a twist out, it's amazing. You don't have to put anything on top of it. But for me, in my hair, I need a gel. Actually, until she comes out with the gel, Melanin Haircare, I'm waiting on this gel. I will be using the DevaCurl Ultra Defining Gel. I love this gel. This is my go-to gel. I have another go-to as well, but today this is my go-to. I'm almost out of this. And I just take a little bit, not much. I don't take a lot. And I just rub that in my hands and then I rake that through as well. However, I do like to stretch it out a little bit. And what I do for the bottom of my hair is just kind of finger coil the bottom, just because my bottom gets very frizzy, and I believe it's more so due to the fact that I really like to stretch out my hair. And so doing that makes just, I don't know, it just like makes my bottom like very, very frizzy. So I like to finger coil, and I just do a really quick one, you know, like I'm not doing my whole head for this. So just do a few and then call it a day. And we are done with the first section. So now I'm gonna go ahead and speed this up because I know y'all don't wanna see all this, it's boring. And I will come back when everything is all settled and we'll go from there. Pro tip, if you are unsure that your cream and your gel might not mesh together because they're made by different companies, this is what you should do to make sure before you put it on your hair that it won't crumble. You know how you get like white flakes in your hair sometimes? So I'm gonna show you. So you're gonna take a little bit of your cream, okay? Then from there, you're gonna take a little bit, just a tiny bit of gel, and you start mixing it. Now you see how it's smooth? It's very smooth. You would know it's not working if it started crumbling. And then you know, I probably shouldn't put this on my hair. So, pro tip, you're welcome. decide where I want my parts. So I just kind of like to flip. And I just kind of like to let my hair figure it out because my hair naturally just goes to the side anyway. So I kind of just know, okay, I know I want it to the side. And, you know, it doesn't have to be perfect. That's what I like about it. It does not have to be perfect. It can look however you want it. As long as it is where you want it to be, it's going to dry fine. It's just going to dry just fine. I don't know if I want that. I think I want that over there. I like this brush, and I take it like that inside. Now, I'm just going to brush my edges, y'all. I don't have baby hairs. Like, I don't know. Maybe I don't know why I don't know why I don't have baby hairs, but I don't. I've never been someone that had baby hairs. So, you know, I just like to just, you know, get my edges looking right, you know. But yes, I have discovered over the years that I do not have baby hair. I need to have should start like a series called Life Without Baby Hair because all y'all got it. I don't. But I guess the good thing is I do got edges. And that's more important than some baby hairs. Just make sure that it's just, you know, it looks good. And it's slicked down. Where are you going? Okay, where do you want to go? We're gonna put you up there. I'm going to just kind of let my hair sit for a little bit just to kind of dry on its own, and then I'll be back to diffuse it. All right, so I've let my hair just kind of air dry a little bit. Shrinkage is real, as you can tell. Okay, and I am done, guys. Love how my hair turns out. I think it looks amazing, but let me tell you, first day hair is all cute and stuff, but nothing beats second or third day hair. Like, I literally get the best results. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want more natural hair care videos, or if you want more videos about my hair or natural hair tips, then please comment below, like this video, give it a thumbs up. Why not? If you liked it and you watched it all throughout this and you like the music that I put on here, come on. You need to give me a like. You need to comment below, talk to me. And don't forget, you can always interact with me too on my Instagram at Courtly Cole. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.